Dit is de Rainy Day puzzel. En skill level 3 van de Nina Otterson puzzels. Nee. Niet. No cheating. You have to move it. You got to move it. You got to move it. Niet optillen. Oké. Ja. Nee. With your paw. No biting. Niet doen. No biting. You have to move this. Hey, you have to move this one. The water drop. Nee, we gaan eerst... Ja, hier. Push it. Dexter, no biting. Niet trekken. I think you have something here. Dexter. No chewing. You don't need that one anymore. Here, did you see in here? No. You have to move it like that. Further, yeah. Put your nose in it and turn it nicely. Further. Oh, that's right. Yeah, that. Oh, you already had that one. I thought you didn't have it. No, you have everything. Huh, we're done. Dexter. We're done. I'm gonna do another.